Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a lovely day. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another brand new subscription to my channel. It's one I haven't unboxed before, and it is Moi-Meme, which translates to myself, I believe, in French. So if you're new to the subscription, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But as always, if you know everything there is to know about it and you'd just rather skip forward to seeing what I received in this month's box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Moi-Meme is a luxury subscription box. It's a beauty and lifestyle box for women who love to discover brand new high-end and independent brands. They have two different types of subscriptions. I have got the Moi-Meme, the monthly subscription box, which will cost you £22.95. Inside this box contains 3 luxury products. You will find 1 lifestyle gift, 1 beauty gift and 1 sweet treat. And all products are deluxe or full sizes. The other subscription that they do costs £54.95 and that is seasonally, and international shipping is £14.95. Inside you'll find at least 5 full-size products from beauty, accessories, skincare, lifestyle, jewellery, home fragrance and lots more. Boxes are tailored to your preferences, i.e. your favourite colours and your skin tone, and the next quarterly box is due to come out in January. With both subscriptions there's no commitment and you are free to cancel any time. If you'd like to try this box without subscribing, you are able to purchase a one-off box for £25 and that also includes shipping as well. So I think that's it as far as information goes. This box is kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. All links and everything related to this box and any discount codes I can find on their website or online, I'll pop them down in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that will bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to showing you what's inside. It's a gorgeous little keepsake box, really lovely, nice size and magnetic. Just take all of that away. So those are the items. So I'll just go through them one by one. And this is the Noel box for December. It says here, Christmas may feel a little different this year, so we've made sure that this month's box epitomises all of the smells, flavours and textures of a typical festive season. Our Noel candle blends the Christmassy scents of nutmeg, orange and cinnamon with more spiced orange in Sweet Theatre's cardamom and orange milk chocolate. Meanwhile, Jorgobé's hand cream will protect your hands during the bitter winter months. If you love this box, then we have plenty more available to buy in our shop with your 10% subscriber discount, with extra choices for your Sweet Theatre chocolate. Yeah, I forgot to mention that they do have an online shop as well. So the first item is the candle. I cannot wait to smell this. This is a Noel candle, natural plant wax, handmade in the UK for Moi-Meme. I can smell it. I can smell it already. I can smell it already. Oh, that's so nice. That is so nice. It's got the perfect amount of orange in it. I absolutely adore orange. Absolutely love it. But with the spices, sometimes candles can be a little bit overpowering with their spices. So yeah, I tend to only burn them for about an hour. And that's it. But no, this is stunning. Obviously I don't know what it's going to be like yet because I haven't burnt it. But you sort of get a feel for candles, don't you, when you have a sniff for them. But no, that is stunning. That is just so nice. Really nice design as well. Housed in a 20cl frosted glass jar with an approximate 30-hour burn time and made from natural plant-based wax, our Noel candle will instantly fill your home with festivity and Christmas spirit. See that? Next we've got a hand cream, and this is by the brand Jorgobé. I think that's how you pronounce it. There's 75 ml and it says this fast absorbing softening hand cream nourishes and protects your hands up to 72 hours. Black vitamin A and E beads and antioxidant extract of white tea energize and stimulate your hands. Let's blend that in. Oh, it feels really lovely. Oh, it feels really nice. It hasn't got a strong scent at all. It just feels very nice and fresh and clean. I say that a lot, but I can't describe scents. I'm not very good at it. I'm not very good. What I really like about it, actually, it went on my skin, absorbing well into my skin. It felt more like a moisturiser, but now it feels like a balm. There's a difference in the feel of this hand cream. Yeah, that is really strange. So it went on more liquidy. Now it's absorbed, it feels like there's a really nice soft, not sticky at all, but a really nice soft sort of protective balm. Oh, I should have put more on my on the ends of my fingers there. No, I really like that. This is an award-winning, nourishing and moisturising cream that will help your hands and cuticles regain their natural softness. The hand cream absorbs quickly, leaving your hands pleasantly soft with no greasy residue. The intensive hand cream contains vitamin A and E encased in black pearls, which are activated when applied, immediately providing antioxidant skin protection. Active ingredients from coconut, avocado and jojoba, as well as shea butter, have a moisturising and softening effect on the skin and cuticles. Sugar beet helps smooth the skin tone, while carbohydrate complex provides in-depth moisture, preventing premature aging caused by dehydration. This hand cream is suitable for vegans and is not tested on animals. It's got a hand cream. And lastly, we got some chocolate. What's this? This is Sweet Theatre Presents. I love Sweet Treat. Cardamom and orange, 33% milk chocolate, handmade in London. The packaging is lovely, isn't it? Well, I'm going to have to try it, of course. How will you know what it tastes like otherwise? Oh, it feels really nice. It's like soft chocolate. That is so nice, look. That is so, so nice. Oh, that is gorgeous. One more strip. Oh, it's going to have just a little square, but no, I'll have a strip then, as it's already broken off. That is really, really lovely. It tastes chocolate orangey, but you've got a very faint cardamom taste with it, which is lovely. They just go together really, really nicely. Oh, that is so, so Moorish. So many of you love Sweet Theatre's Heavenly Honeycomb chocolate in our Wonder Box, and so we couldn't wait to sample their new Christmas collection. After much deliberation, we chose this rich milk chocolate bar infused with orange and a hint of cardamom for a grown-up twist on that Christmas favourite, the chocolate orange. Yeah. As mentioned at the start, you can now buy this box in our shop, where you can choose this chocolate, brandy butter, white chocolate, or Christmas pudding, fruit and dark nut chocolate. Oh, wow, I wonder how much they are. Yeah, so those are all the products, so I'll just gather them all up. So these are all the products inside the Moi-Meme's monthly subscription box. We've got a candle, we've got a hand balm, and we've got a chocolate bar as well. The cost of this box is £22.95, and there's free shipping within the UK, and there's an additional £9.95 to ship out of the UK. The theme behind this month's box is lovely. I love the packaging of the products, very simple, quite elegant. I do really like it. The scent of the candle is stunning. I can't wait to see what it's like. And the hand cream, that is a really, really nice hand cream as well. It absorbed pretty quickly and it felt more liquidy on application, but then it transformed into a balm. And it's just left my skin feeling really, really gorgeous and soft. So yeah, no, I'm going to look forward to using that more. So I think this would be an amazing gift to give to someone as well. Just really, really nice. Yeah, really, really nice. I've also seen their quarterly boxes on Instagram and they're really lovely. That's worth checking out as well. So if you're not already following them, then I suggest you do, just to get a feel for the boxes and what they do every month. So yeah, so thank you to the Moi-Meme for sending this out to me. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. Have you subscribed to them? Do you subscribe to them? What have previous boxes been like? Or are you watching this wondering if this is for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.